We're back on this. It's raining today, but we've got the roof timbers on. We're going to have a bit of breakfast now, and we'll put the back trimmers and side trimmers on if it stops raining. You can see there I've fastened the roof timbers down to the timber that's attached to the steel beam as well. Fasten them down with joist hangers. It'll stop any wind from ripping the flat roof off, which can happen. Right, so we've got all our roof timbers on. We've done the front trimmer, the side trimmer, the back trimmer. Now we're going to put a row of noggins in, which strengthens it up. Weather's crap today, so we're not actually going to get the roof on. So we've not bothered getting the tools out. So we're actually going the old-fashioned way and hand nailing today. So when I finish the roof, I'll jump up with camera and let you have a little look of it and explain it. And that'll probably be it for today, and we'll be back tomorrow when weather's better. Right, the roof structure's finished now. I'll let you have a little look around that and explain a few things. Been a bit short on tutorial on this because weather's been crap, so we've just cracked on with it. But I'll explain a few things. Right, so those roof timbers are sat on top of the steel there. We've held them down with joist hangers, you can see that. That timber there is tech screwed onto the steel there. So the roof is actually held down. Let me just come out of that zoom now. So the roof's held down there. We've put our front trimmer on, we've put two side trimmers on, and we've put a back trimmer on as well there. We've got an overhang of 80mm, which will allow for a soffit to sit on there and allow us cladding to butt up to that as well. And we've also put some noggins in there to carry the overhang on the side. A row of noggins down a metre in there, and another row of noggins down a metre in there as well. And that's the roof structure all complete and solid. Like I said, the weather's crap today, so we're not going to bother putting the roof on. We'll get on with that tomorrow. Right, so we're wrapping the building in this breathable roofing membrane, so it allows the building to breathe but doesn't allow any moisture to go in. We're using this hammer staple tacker. So basically, just hold it like that. And there you go. And then we'll put a slate lats on there to carry as cladding. It's raining, so we've got the roof on. Structure's built. We'll board that out and put rubber on tomorrow. We've wrapped the building in this breathable membrane as well. So there you can see the size of it. It's 4 metres long, it's 3 metres deep. 3 metre bifolds, they will open that way. And there's a window over there as well. So we're going to use it as a family room. Decent size is this one. And tomorrow we should have it all watertight. So the rain's come, so we're off home. So that's it for today. Thank you.